Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel.
In today's vlog, we are taking you along with us for a stay at the Mandai Rainforest Resort. Tucked within the heart of the Mandai Wildlife Reserve, this newly opened resort offers a unique and immersive escape into nature.
The moment you step into the lobby, you're welcomed by a calm, open-air space that feels more like a garden lounge than a traditional hotel entrance. There's no air conditioning, just fresh, natural air flowing through.
While waiting to check in, we were served a chilled chrysanthemum drink and a refreshing hand towel, which was a really nice touch.
After that, we received our room key and a map of the Mandai area. Even the corridors are open air, blending perfectly with the natural surroundings.
Our room was spacious and the beds were super comfortable. The bathroom was large too, featuring a sleek sliding door. Here's a quick look at the shower area.
Now on to the facilities. First up, the pool located on the top floor. It offers stunning view of the Upper Seletar Reservoir. The Discovery Forest is also on the top floor too.
There's also a gym, the Banyan Tree Spa, and Rangers Cove, a fun indoor and outdoor play area for kids.
After exploring the resort, we took a shuttle to have dinner at the Cavern Restaurant, Singapore's first and only restaurant set in a cave-like setting. It's located right at the entrance of Rainforest Wild ASIA, Singapore's newest and fifth wildlife park.
The interiors really do make you feel like you're dining inside a cave, with rock-like walls, ambient lighting on the ceiling, and table lamps that kept the place cozy.
We started with the mushroom soup, which is one of their most popular dishes, but honestly, we felt it wasn't worth the price.
Next, we tried the mushroom ragu with fettuccine. It's also quite popular, but we personally prefer the other dishes.
One of the highlights was the hunter's board, a well-balanced dish with juicy prawns and tender ribs.
We also tried the toothfish, rigatoni, and pulled pork tacos. Our top two favorites were definitely the rigatoni and the tacos.
The next morning, we woke up early to catch the sunrise and headed over to Planter's Shack for breakfast. Here's a tip: if you want to avoid the crowd, come at this recommended time.
The buffet spread was impressive, with a wide variety of tasty options. They even have a DIY juicer station and a huge selection of fresh juices and milk. It also has a special kids corner too.
Overall, our stay at Mandai Rainforest Resort was a wonderful and refreshing experience. It's the perfect getaway if you're looking to disconnect from the fast-paced city life and reconnect with nature. The resort blends comfort and sustainability beautifully, offering modern amenities while embracing an open-air, eco-friendly concept that makes you feel truly immersed in the rainforest. Whether you're here for a peaceful retreat, a family vacation, or simply to explore the nearby wildlife parks, there's something for everyone. If you're considering a nature staycation in Singapore, Mandai Rainforest Resort is definitely one to add to your list.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.